man is accused of child rape, molestation, and assault. If you recognize him, the Spokane County Sheriff's Office wants to hear from you.
Detectives say there could be more victims, specifically young boys. New on Nightside, Rania Kaur spoke with a therapist about how to start these tough conversations and has details about the arrest.
Patrick Joseph Cabeza is accused of raping 2 young boys, and police have reason to believe more victims may be out there. According to court documents, the boys told detectives the rapes happened in the winter at Cabeza's home. This was all while the boys were trying to sleep. Their mom told detectives Cabeza was like the neighborhood grandfather. According to a search warrant, the boys said they found pills hidden in pizza and wings they were having for dinner at his house. Today, at his first court appearance, the prosecuting attorney read a statement from the boys' mom.
My concern is that Mr. Cabeza manipulates people in the neighborhood and the community with the vibe that he is the neighborhood grandpa. He grooms the parents and the kids in the neighborhood to trust him. He invites children and teens into his home.
In court documents, police say they found pink pills believed to be narcotics. One of the charges Cabeza is facing is a second-degree rape charge, which includes the accusation that the victim was incapable of consent since the victim was, quote, physically helpless and mentally incapacitated. Sheriff deputies are concerned there could be more victims out there, specifically young boys. These crimes happened in a neighborhood in Spokane Valley. I spoke to Dr. Paul Dometer, a clinical psychologist, over the phone. He admits addressing sexual assault with your family or kids isn't easy. In the court documents, one of the victims told detectives he didn't tell his mom what happened because he thought his parents would be mad at him, saying, quote, I wasn't brave enough.
What is quite common is the notion that there's some kind of threat that if the victim discloses that they've been touched inappropriately, they've been molested in some fashion, something really bad is going to happen. It's going to be their fault. There may be injury to a loved one.
These are Dr. Dometer's biggest takeaways if you're starting the conversation. He says, ask structured questions like, did you go to the person's home? Did he ever touch you in ways you felt uncomfortable? Be delicate with your child and know they may feel guilty about what's happened. Remind your child you are there to protect them, that if they tell the truth, nothing bad is going to happen. And know that going to a professional to evaluate your child is an option. The details of this story and the number for the detective on this case is on our website at kxly.com. Aaron?
Rania, thank you.